Differentials. The ideas behind linear approximations are sometimes formulated in the terminology and notation of differentials. If y is equal to f of x, where f is a differentiable function, then the differential dx is an independent variable. That is, dx can be given the value of any real number. The differential y is then defined in terms of f of x by the equation dy, which is equal to f prime of x times dx. So, we're going to use this information for example number 4. Now, the radius of a sphere was measured and found to be 21 centimeters with a possible error in measurement of at most 0.05 centimeters. What is the maximum error in using this value of the radius to compute the volume of the sphere? So, first thing is first, okay, we need to know what does the volume of a sphere equal. Well, we know the formula is equal to 4/3 times pi r cubed. So we can rewrite this, okay, in terms of this definition. So what that tells us is that we know that the derivative of v is going to be dv. Okay, the derivative with respect to r, okay, if we multiply this, it's going to be 3 times 4/3, which is going to give us 4 times pi r squared, and that's dr. Okay, so what do we know that's given in the problem? Well, we know that the possible error in measurement of at most 0.05 centimeters. So we know that dr is going to equal 0.05 centimeters. And we also know that the radius in the problem is 21 centimeters. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into equation number 2. So we have dv, which is equal to 4 pi, again, r squared dr. So we know it's going to be 4 times pi times the radius, which is 21 centimeters squared. And let's include the units in there. So 21 centimeters squared times dr, which is 0.5 centimeters. And so when we multiply that all out, we end up getting approximately 277 cubic centimeters. So it says here, what is the maximum error in using this value of the radius to compute the volume of the sphere? Well, we can say that the maximum error is calculated, and the calculated volume is about 277 cubic centimeters.